Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Disclaimer o paalaala. All content shared here reflects my personal opinions and perspectives only. Ang lahat ng nilalaman ay batay sa aking sariling pananaw at opinyon. This is intended for entertainment and informational purposes lamang at hindi dapat ituring bilang professional advice. Ang pag-iingat ng manonood ay kinakailangan.
Hope or pag-asa, the sweetest promise that was used and sold to us since the beginning of time. Used in society to gain control, to win in politics, at ng relihiyon para magpasunod. May mga tao na nabubuhay dahil sa pag-asa, pero marami ring naloko dahil dito. Hope, minsan lason, minsan gamot. Ang pag-asa ay patuloy na humuhubog sa mundo. Pero kung hindi mo babantayan, baka ikaw pa ang gawing biktima. Pag-uusapan natin ang lahat ng ito, kung paano ginagamit, inaabuso, and how strong and powerful hope is.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Hope or pag-asa, parang asukal, sweet. Pero kapag sobra, nakakasira. Kings and emperors used hope to keep people in line. Politicians sell hope during campaigns like buy one, take one promises. Religion used hope to demand trust. And society used hope to silence the people. Hope has two faces, one that gives strength and one that traps you. When used right, hope pushes you to fight, to dream, to survive. Pero kapag mali, hope keeps you waiting, keeps you stuck, keeps you blind. That's why kailangan mong timbangin ng mabuti. Kasi hope is not a strategy, hope is just a spark. Without action, hope is nothing but empty calories. And here's the thin line between faith and hope. Faith is believing kahit walang ebidensya, habang ang hope is expecting kahit walang kasiguraduhan. They look alike but they hit differently. Faith can anchor you, while hope can float you. With balance, they can move mountains. Pero kapag mali, faith turns into blind obedience. Hope turns into false waiting. History shows, hope is like an invisible na kadena. But it also saved lives in war, in hunger, in despair. Hope is fire. You can cook with it, or you can be burned with it. It depends on how you hold on to it. At ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit maraming tao ang nagsusugal, nagtitake ng risks, at nabibiktima ng scams. Hope ang nagbubulong na baka ikaw ang next big winner, baka ikaw ang next success story, baka ikaw ang makaka-break free. Kahit walang solid na ebidensya, hope makes people believe sa salitang baka sakali o sa malay mo. That tiny spark of possibility pushes people to bet their money, their time, even their lives. And that's the dangerous side. Hope can blind you into chasing illusions. Habang yung iba, ginagamit ang hope para pagkakitaan ka or worse, para i-manipulate ka. Hope or pag-asa is powerful, pero hindi siya dapat gawing saklay. Ang tunay na lakas ay nasa action, nasa decision, nasa reality. Hope can inspire, pero kung wala kang galaw, hope will expire. Ang mundo patuloy na umiikot dahil sa hope. Pero ang mga tunay na nagbabago ng mundo, sila yung hindi lang umasa, kundi sila yung kumilos. Kaya kung gagamitin mo ang hope, gamitin mo siya bilang gasolina, hindi bilang upuan. Dahil kung uupo ka lang, hope will burn you alive.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.